how to control which apps can access your contacts on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage contact permissions step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your contacts. To stop an app from accessing your contacts, simply turn the toggle off next to that app. If you want to allow access again later, just turn the toggle back on. You can review this list anytime to make sure only trusted apps can view or use your contact information. If an app isn't showing up here, it may not have requested contact access yet, or you may need to open the app and grant permission when prompted. On my device, some apps may already have access, but you can customize these settings based on your privacy preferences. And that's how to manage contact permissions on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips and guides.